Hello, my name is Rocco Beatrice. I'm the Managing Director for Estate Street Partners, Domestic Trust versus Foreign Trust. We get a lot of these calls. I want to set up an offshore trust. What are the benefits of an offshore trust? Well, an offshore trust in a foreign jurisdiction where judgments are not executable. In order for you to be able to sue an individual in an offshore country, you have to hire a local attorney. If the local attorney, whose business is to represent foreign individuals, that is the only thing you're going to be able to do. When you are in an offshore jurisdiction, you're home. The judge does not want to listen to a fraudulent conveyance issue or a lawsuit that starts from the United States. They don't recognize offshore attorneys, so you're going to have to file in that country. You're going to have to bring in all the witnesses. You have to post a bond. If you lose, you have to pay the opposing party. And when you get there, the judge has something else to do, so he's not going to hear that case. He's going to do that so many times that you're not going to be able to hear that case. In an offshore jurisdiction, you're home. You're considered home. Who would use an offshore jurisdiction? Well, somebody that has a lot of money, somebody who has a risky profession, such as a neurosurgeon, or an individual who has extensive wealth. Do we use offshore trusts? We used to. But with the PATRIOT Act, the banking acts, the transparency, and the fact that most foreign jurisdictions don't want to do business with a U.S. person. They will not open a bank account because they're going to be subject to the IRS. The IRS has extended its jurisdiction. A lot of cases have been lost where the litigants, so we don't do as much of it. But if you're wealthy enough, we can do that. If there's enough money on the table, we can do that. You have to be sophisticated enough, and you must be willing to accept the risk and the reporting requirements of offshore jurisdictions. But for the average individual, this is much too costly. There's too much reporting. You become too much of a target. Too many government jurisdictions are looking at you. Now, we do have a way of doing similar offshore trust in the United States. If that's of interest to you, please call me directly. For this article and more on the subject of asset protection, domestic trust, foreign trust, revocable trust, limited liability companies, S-corps, partnerships, limited partnerships, please visit our website, ultratrust.com.